Hello everyone, I'm Julia from JetOctopus, and today I would like to show you something new in our Google Search Console module. So, you adore our module and you know that there are a lot of different options to work with your keywords, with your cannibalization, to analyze your positions, to watch your main Google Search Console criteria and dynamics, to analyze your insights, etc. But today I want to show you query on a page option. You're working so hard on your semantics and on the content of your pages. So to put the relevant keywords on the page, so to make these pages as attractive as possible for the search bots. And today I'm going to demonstrate you the tool which will help you analyze your queries. And this is a very interesting angle of the analysis which has the direct impact on the impressions rate, on the clicks rate of your queries. And let's start. Let us start with query in title. It shows the query in title ratio, how the query correlates to the title of this URL for how many percentage. And we see that there are URLs with 100% ratio, 50% ratio. And from the very beginning, we can sort this list by the least effective. For example, query in title ratio is less than 55%. And we see that almost half of this list has less than 55% the query in title ratio. I would also add the CTR here. Oh, actually it is here already. And we can see here it is 50% query in title ratio. We see the impressions, we see the clicks and CTR. Here we see 25% and also the same criterion to analyze. 0% query in title ratio and the CTR, the impressions here. 33%, like 0 again, and you may just export it right away and to give it for improvement. I would also add bot logs dataset and SEO active pages dataset. I would like to add here to this least effective list of URLs with the query in title ratio less than 55%. I would also add the SEO active pages, so the visits from the end users. I would like to see the number of end users visits to these URLs, to these queries, by these queries. And I also would like to see the number of search bots visits here. And it gives us a lot of information here. We see the number of search bots here over the given period of time, and we see the number of SEO visits of the end users, and we can correlate it to this query in title ratio, and we will have enough arguments to negotiate this task. For example, if there is any negotiation with the team for improvement, so to make the query more relevant to the title of this URL, so to increase the needed criteria and to increase at the end of the day the number of end users visits to these URLs. In this section, we also have query in meta description rate. And we will work the same way with it. And also query in H1 ratio. And it works the same way. So this is really handy tools here to analyze your query's effectiveness and to optimize the titles, meta descriptions, and H1 in correlation to the query it is ranked in the SERP. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you will find this tool really effective.